In a conference workshop, you recently talked about causality. And so you explored the use of LLMs to assist in constructing causal graphs. What are causal graphs, and how do LLMs help in their construction?
Yeah, this is actually it's a recurring workshop I like to do with another, she's an amazing woman in tech called Amy Hodler. And so
Sure, Amy Hodler.
Amy?
Yeah, I've tried to get her on the show. We had some back and forth where she was like, "Sure, let's do it." This happens all the time where people are like, "Sure, let's do it," and then we kind of comes to scheduling, and it wasn't easy, and so I think I just stopped asking.
Okay, Amy, if you're listening, I'm going to reach out to you, but she's amazing. And so we have a shared passion for graph and network science in particular. It's was not my specialty of research in the past, but it's just something I'm really interested in. Mostly because a lot of what we do is so much based on just correlation and patterns, right? General pattern matching. But I think anyone who has studied any statistics is like, all right, well, just because shark attacks are up, it's not tied to like ice cream sales, I think is a classic example.
Right. Yeah, that's right.
And the biggest challenge was...
It sounds like an English idiom.
Oh, man.
But it's, yeah.
Yikes. I think you're right. I think I made that one up.
No. You didn't.
Oh,
you didn't.
Okay.
No. It's just funny. Like that is really that wasn't a correction or anything. That really is. There is a classic kind of this correlation between, well, it's because there's a confounding variable, which is people swimming at the beach.
That's it. Exactly. Yeah. And like summer or is the cause because it's summer, right? So yeah. So being able to create this graph that was like, I think one of the classically traditional challenges, and defining like what's an intervention, et cetera, all classic statistics over, generative models and things like that. But where modeling and like, I guess more of the generative approaches helps is actually like structuring the data in the right format. And it takes a lot of that labor away, depending on what kind of graph structure you want to build. So, I don't know, tuples, RDF, et cetera, like whatever your preference is. Network X, for a basic example, like that if you don't need to scale it, or Kinaviz is another great tool you can use. But all of them, like getting the graph structure right, I think has been a big blocker for people. And so, again, structuring a graph to be able to actually answer like what is a confounding variable, what kind of interventions actually work based on the data you have. These are kind of all the things that causal models help us answer, more than just, they're both trending up, so they're probably related to each other.